A lot has changed in the past few years in home heating and air conditioning systems. Today's systems have many features that will not only increase your comfort, but can save you a considerable amount of money. Today's systems have variable speed fans, programmable thermostats, control of humidity, and improved indoor air quality. They can even tell you when your filter needs to be replaced. But the biggest difference is energy efficiency. In fact, if your system is over 10 years old, you'll see an immediate drop in your utility bill, up to 56%, if you replace your system with one of today's energy efficient models. Since your home system uses as much as half of all of your utilities, there's never been a better time to see all of your options.